In this video, we'll train TJBot to listen for a message and then send it via Twilio. Drag an inject node from the palette onto the canvas. Double-click on it to configure it. Give it a name, Start Listening. Drag a change node from the palette onto the canvas. Give it a name, Start Listening. Set the message.mode property to the string value start. Drag another change node from the palette onto the canvas. Give it a name, Stop Listening. Set the message.mode property to the string value stop. Drag a listen node from the palette onto the canvas. In the TJBot configuration, select US English from the Listen drop-down menu. The Listen node uses a microphone. Tick the checkbox next to the microphone option to enable TJBot to use a microphone. The Listen node also uses a Watson speech-to-text service. We need to get these credentials from IBM Bluemix before we can use the node. Click on the link icon next to the speech-to-text heading. I'm already signed in to my IBM Bluemix account. Create your IBM Bluemix account at bluemix.net. Click on Create to create the Watson speech-to-text service instance. Each Watson service has separate service credentials. Click on Service Credentials in the menu on the left. Click on View Credentials to display the credentials. Copy the username and password into the input boxes under the speech-to-text section. To send a text message via Twilio, we need to add the Twilio node. Click on the menu in the top right corner. Select Manage Palette from the menu. Click on the Install tab. Search for Bluemix. Install the first result, Node-RED Bluemix nodes. The Twilio node has been installed. Drag the Twilio node from the palette onto the canvas. Select External Service from the Service drop-down menu. Click on the pencil icon. Before we can send a text message via Twilio, we need to get an account SID, a Twilio phone number, and a token. I already have a Twilio account. Sign up for your account at twilio.com. In the dashboard, copy the account SID and auth tokens back into the Node-RED editor. Click on Buy a Number. Search for a Twilio phone number and buy it. Copy the phone number into the From field in the Node-RED editor. Enter your cell phone number into the SMS2 field. We'll send a message to that number. Connect the nodes together. Click on the Deploy button in the top right corner of the Node-RED editor. Run the flow by clicking on the tab on the left side of the inject node labeled Start Listening. TJBot will listen for a message via the microphone, send it via Twilio, and stop listening.